you're having fun with chemistry. Today, you will surely have fun with using the molecular model kit, which should be available in each community. David Harper of Deer Lake will make a molecular model of the chemical equation carbon reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. In the kit, each link represents a single pair of electrons. The black ball with 4 holes represents a carbon atom because carbon needs 4 single bonds to fill its outermost shell. And the red ball with 2 holes represents an oxygen atom.
Easy come, easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, why were they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. Cause what you don't understand is I catch a grenade for ya. Throw my hand on a blade for ya. I jump in front of a train for ya. You know I'd do anything for ya. Oh, I would go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. No, 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 no. Black and blue, beat me till I'm numb. Tell the devil I said hey when you get back to where you're from. Mad woman, bad woman, that's just what you are. Yeah, you'll smile in my face, then rip the brakes out my car. Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed